Hello traders, today is December 4th. We're going to do an update on the market, the opportunities that exist. I'm going to show you exactly the forecast that I provided about a week or two ago and where we're at with that. Now before we begin, remember trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So I have the E-mini S&P up. I'll show you the Dow and the Nasdaq. Really, as a sector, the financial market moves up and down together. Sometimes they deviate, but normally they move up and down together. You can see that the market is on its way up, and so the video and the forecast that we put out about a week or two ago indicated that the market is going to go higher and it's going to test the most recent highs. So you can see here the most recent highs are right about here. And so what that tells me is that markets will test and even go through it. And typically there's a pop and it will go higher once it breaks through those highs. Now, obviously there could be a double top, but typically what we see is once it breaks those highs, all the sell stops and the traders that are short get triggered, and it creates an advantage in the opposite direction where everybody reverses and the market continues in the same direction a little bit stronger. Now, how we play this, if you haven't seen the videos, and I recommend that you take a look at the videos that we posted, is that once the market breaks the 50% mark and closes, as you can see here, I'm using a tool, and every charting platform has this tool where I can identify the 50% mark. Once it broke and closed above, and I even recommend maybe a couple of points above, you have this opportunity to go long. Now, it doesn't mean we can go long and hold on to the trade. Just look for any long opportunity if you're using the Trade Scalper or the Sonic or even the Autopilot, the Blueprint, the Atlas line, any of those methods that we offer. If you're seeing a long opportunity, it means the market is now heading back up, and that's an advantage to us. Now, as the market today is starting to go lower, we can still see that it's making higher highs, tested, higher highs. So and also lower lows at the same time. So this is price action analysis, but really more importantly is the goal. The goal is for the market to hit here and then continue higher. So this is the E-mini S&P. Let's take a look at the Dow, and we can do exactly the same thing. The Dow futures, either the micro or the minis. It doesn't really matter. I'll do the MYM because there's a few traders that are trading the MYM. And I will show this. You can see it's the same idea where the Dow, after making that high, closed above and it's on its way up. So today you can see it's coming down, but if the market starts to reverse and come back up, you're going to get all these long signals. It's still early. It's only about 10 o'clock on this Thursday, December 4th. This is when I'm doing the video. And so as of right now, the market's heading a little bit lower, but as soon as it starts to come back, shows you a doji, and then starts to reverse and come back up, hit it, go long. And even if it starts to do this, I'd give you a quick example like this, and then starts to go back up, that's also a little bit of a pullback, and now testing those highs. And again, once it hits those highs and breaks, expect there to be a pop. So this is the Dow. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq and Q. Exact same situation. I'll do the micro Nasdaq. A lot of traders trading the micro Nasdaq. Let's take a look. I'll do the same exact thing as I did with the E-mini and the Dow. You can see that it closed, and now higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. It's the same exact thing. This is a great opportunity to go and take it long, anticipating it to go about maybe $1,300 from where we are, if not a little bit more, to the upside just on the micro Nasdaq. Okay, so this is how we play this. Now, if you want to take a look at the current signals, if you're day trading, let's take a look at what the Sonic is doing. Let me switch it over to a 1-minute chart. You can trade it on a 5-minute chart or tick chart. So this is a 1-minute chart. I'll just add the Sonic system as an example to see where we're at. Okay, so right now the Sonic system is telling us to take short trades, and this is just for right now. the most recent signals on the Nasdaq or the micro Nasdaq are, as you can see, short, short, short. Now remember, once it crosses back above about 25,648 as we are right now, about 25,650, that's going to be your goal to take it and hit it long, long, long. And I definitely anticipate it happening. As you can see, it's starting to move. So regardless of what day trading is doing, you can go long or short. As a day trader, you're following the signals based on what the market is currently doing in the hour, within the half hour, within the 4 hours. But once it crosses now, we're changing our entire situation now to the long side, if that happens and when it happens. So I'll come back later. I'll take a look at some signals. I'll play some trades. I'll show you. It's very simple. The Sonic system gives you the stop and the target. Just follow the signals. You can adjust here, as you can see on the back end, the signals that exist, or the settings that exist for the Sonic. They are very simple. A stop loss, a profit target based on the ATR, and that's it. Now, if you wanted a larger profit target, well, there's a short signal right there, as you can see here. Actually, I'm going to just show you this live as it's happening. I don't have time. That's a short signal. I think, yeah, I have time. So let me just switch it over. 1 second. Let me just get this all set up here so you can see. Perfect.
Order filled.
All right. Let me just adjust that. Like that. Okay. So short signal happened live. Going short. This is a micro, so it's not. We're not talking about, thousands of dollars. It's so straightforward. You see the signal.
Target filled.
You're in. Oh, let me just show you here real quick. Okay. Very simple. You see the signal. You try for a 50-50 risk-reward ratio. In this case, I just jumped in just to show you the signal. And we're getting a little bit lower, but it doesn't mean that we may not turn around and go higher. And I'm just following signals. I'm not reinventing the wheel. I'm looking at the opportunities. And again, if the market comes back up, like I showed you here, it'll be long, long, long. If you have any questions, visit daytrade2win.com. Get a free member account. We offer a free member account at Daytrade to Win. Subscribe to the Daytrade to Win YouTube channel. And if you want all of our software, Accelerated Mentorship gets you all of our software with lifetime access. NinjaTrader or TradingView. Until next time, good trading. Want to learn more? Visit daytrade2win.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.